So, if you remember, uh, we started the digital simulation tools. So, I have explained which are the company and what are the tool name. Then, if you remember, we can execute, we can run our code on the online mode also, on the offline mode also. On the online mode, if you need, EDA playground will be there. Okay. And if anyone didn't get a login ID or password, you can ask me. I can provide you. Okay, post class, just remind me, or you can have with any of the students you ask, they will give you. Then offline, we have a question. Again, in the offline, the question code you can run in three different methods. One is a GUI method, which I have a 6 steps. If you remember, project jumpstart, create a project or open a project, then select the files or folders of the project. Then that file, once you add into the project, you need to do the compilation. Then you need to go to work. As per the module name, you need to do what? Simulation, add wave, run manage all. These are the some steps are there. Okay. This is the way. And whatever, whenever you run, no, it will throw one command on what? Transcript window. Those command, if you collect and if you keep in one file, that become what? Second method. That is what we call a what? Run.do method. Third method is a Linux or Ubuntu method. Okay. So for that only, like we use a shell script or a makefile. Okay. Now, third method I need to explain. For that, before I explain the third method, some people didn't had a tool and all. For them, I started explaining how you can install the tool and all Linux. Because why I went depth into this one, because this is the one which you will be using in a company. Normally, what happens? Windows method will not run. Okay. Linux is the way which we will be using all the point of time. Okay. Now, first installation. First of all, before installation of a tool, first we need to install what? Linux only in our Windows, correct? So, what you need to do? You need to do Windows key. Okay, you need to press Windows key. Okay, press Windows key. Turn Windows feature on or off. Then Windows subsystem for Linux, you'll get it. Then you do what? Enable it, if you remember. So, Windows key, turn Windows feature on or off, if you remember. You need to scroll down. Okay, you'll get one option called Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay, this is what you are supposed to do first. Then installation of a Linux. If you want to install a Linux, you have a two methods. One is a black and white screen and one is a colorful. Okay, if you want that, one is a Ubuntu. Okay, this is a Ubuntu. Ubuntu, how you can do it? Windows 10 only you can do. That is a Microsoft Store. Ubuntu will be there and press an option called Get. So that way you will get a Ubuntu. No, I don't want that one. I need a colorful. Then go to Google. Mobile external for Windows will be, you need to type download and normal installation. Go for a normal. Nothing. Next. Okay. So, and third, you need to restart your system. Then only it will work, or else it will not work. Okay. Clear? So, I have explained how to install the tools. Okay. Next, there is something called shell script you need to write. In order to run a tool, request a sim, okay, in your Linux, what happen? You need to create a what? Shell script. Now, shell script, people use it with a different extension. .ksh, bsh, bshrc, tsh, bash. These are the different types of extension they will use it. Okay, any kind of an extension you can use out of your 10 extension. And what they will see how the people got, why we got this many extension, I have explained. Normally we call it a shell script, and we have different types of a shell. Okay, shell, that is a corn shell, bone shell, T shell, C shell, bash shell. Okay, these are the names. Okay, corn, bone, and all that name of a person. Okay, you can Google it. You will get to know they are the name of a person. Okay, so on their name only, they have created an extension file KSHRC. What is KSHRC stands for? Con shell root configuration. That is how you need to read. BSH born shell root configuration. Like this, you can read for all these. So any 10 extension you can use it. Normally, what do you mean by this? Means see, for a Verilog file, what is the extension you use? .v for system Verilog. .sv for UVM.sv for Perl.pl for Python .py, and for a shell, what are the extension you need to use? KSH, KSHRC, BSH, BSHRC, CHH, CHHRC, TSH, TSHRC, SH, SHRC, bash, bash RC. These are the extension they will use it. One more here. I'll add it here. Okay, I not remember the name. Okay, but we use SH or SHRC. That is it. I have written here. Forgot to write. SH, SHRC. Okay. Now, example, if you will tell how to run a Verilog, because Verilog is a language, then you need to run it, correct? Example, here, I'll just ask you. C language is there. If it is a C language, how will people run? Turbo C, right? That is what you used in engineering. How you used to run the C code? You had an engineer, you did engineering. C code, right? How you used to run, which is the tool? Anyway, during my time, it was a Turbo C. I don't know what you used. Turbo C, I used to have the tool. Okay, Turbo C. Okay, during engineering time. But now they use a GCC compiler. What they use? GCC. GCC is a tool which you can use it. Okay, for C language. Next, Verilog, system Verilog, UVM. Okay, Verilog, system Verilog, UVM. For them, how to run means about 6 steps I have explained. That is the way. That is a question. Question 6 steps are there that you need to follow. Correct. Next, if I ask you Perl, how will you run? Perl file name dot pl. For Python, Python file name dot py. Shell, how will you run? Source, and whatever the file name. Or this kind of symbol you can use it. Okay. Next, yeah, this much I think we have covered. And if you remember, I have shown you the make file, how the what is alias. Alias. What is alias? Example I said, no? JP equal to what? Jyoti Prakash. Correct. So this kind of alias, if you remember where we use, yesterday I have shown you, right? In the make file. See, you remember your big file? These are the things I have explained. Okay. I'll just copy in your notes. Correct. Alias GVim. What is MNT stands for?
Mount.
Huh? Mount. Okay. Why you need mount? Normally mount disk. What are the disk mounted here? C drive or D drive? Correct. So if from the Linux, okay, you want to go to the Windows environment, how you will done? /mnt. Okay, then you will get an option like a C drive or D drive. Clear? Now, see here, I'll just tell you yesterday only I was see actually here one problem I was facing yesterday. Okay, which I'll tell you. I have 1,000 documents. Okay, thousands of documents I have. Okay, I need to search a word for example PKD. So there is one word. Okay, PKG package. One word I want to search PKG. Or in all the thousand files where it is written. And all these files are present in Windows. Where it is present, it is present in a Windows environment in one folder. How will you search? Because in Linux we will use one option called grep, G-R-E-P, grep, Global Regular Expression, GREP, full form stands for GREP, full form is Global Regular Expression. Now, the option actually, if it is a Linux, I can use the grep. With the help of grep, I can easily confine. But it's a Windows. Now, how to do it? On Windows also, you can bring a Linux, right? You didn't get. See, example. Now here, this is the environment, Linux,
Linux.
correct. From here, can you go to the Windows? Yes, you can go.
Yes.
How? CD, example, C, MNT,
Elementary C.
correct. If you give now, you are in a which C type. Now you give a graph here. Graph of mine. Okay, example, I'll do one. I'll go to the D type. And I want to search a word called graph of mine. Okay, PKG. Is it a word available? Automatically it will show. See, in Windows, from the Linux, I'm using, getting my work done.
What is IR, sir?
I stands for case insensitive. Okay, see here. 1 minute. See, now I'll show you that also.
grep is only used for searching words or
Searching a word inside a file. See, actually, if you remember, verilog.txt. What is the file name I have created for this name? What is the file name? Verilog.txt only, right? And I have written one word called pkg. Can you see here? Okay. See here? Easily can finding. That is finding pkg. Now, what do you have grep? See, any option in Linux, you don't have to ask anyone. Man, you type man. Man means manual. Okay. Never ask anyone. Okay, in a Linux, what is this? Okay, just type man, 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 and you will get example. I'm using I and R. Correct. Just go and check what is I. I is for
ignore case.
correct. Now, one minute, where you are. Not only the any option. Okay, if you get it out, just type man to that. Okay, R is for recursively. Read
Okay.
all files under each folder recursively following symbolical links only if there are on the command line. In each folder, there is A folder, there may be B folder, C folder, correct? Go through all the folders. Don't leave any folder. That means R, recursively. Chalo. Now, see, leave it. Grab, you know CD, right? In engineering, you have done CD, MKDR, at least two. Okay. See, with MKDR, this is normally what we call a switch. What do you need to call? Switch. Switch. Okay. What are the different switch available with MKDIR? Man, you type just man. You'll get what is MKDIR? MKDIR means what? Make directory. You can use minus M, minus P, minus V, minus Z. These are the different. You can use it. Is it clear? Hmm? So in Linux, if you have any doubt, you always type what? Man. Man and that command. Clear? So okay, let me just write for one line for you. If you get any any doubt related to command or tool in the Linux, okay, do the following. One option is man. One of option is help. There are two ways you can get to know about a tool. One is a man or one is a help. Example, man mkdir. Okay, man you need to use for inbuilt command of Linux. Okay, help you need to use external software if we use in the Linux. Now, Vijay, I didn't understand. mkdir is an internal command or an external command? Sure, internal command of the Linux or it's one extra tool software. Internal command. Do you agree? What about co-extraction? Internal command of the Linux or
No,
external software. There is
software.
one extra software, right? You are adding. Okay, that is not an inbuilt, right? Co-extraction is an inbuilt, no, right? Which is an external, correct? So that point of time, okay, for those kind of a tool, example, that time what you need to example we have one option you need to run. Then you add minus help like this. Or one will work, one definitely will work. Like this you need to do. Or we should have one option if you try, it will definitely you'll get a clear option. Okay. Internal, this is for internal, this is for external. Is it clear? Anisha, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So if anything, if you get a doubt, you can explore by yourself only in Linux. One is a man, one is a help. Clear? Chalo. Move on. Okay,
Sir,
then if
when
you
we say the scripting, is it like should we write some code for scripting, or is it the same way? Like, what are you teaching right now? Is it like in the
self
environment of
shell scripter,
office? Yes, sir.
see one thing, shell scripter, it's not like a language. How you write? Okay, majorly normally in shell script, what you do, basically what you can what okay. See what is a shell script? I'll tell you in simple language. You want example A command is there, B command is there, C command is there, D command is there. Okay, okay, I'll tell you like this. Okay, do one thing. I'll just tell you in this simple way. There is some build command. Okay, you need to not build compilation. You need to do it. Correct. There is one command is there. Simulation. You need to do it. Okay. For APB, write text. Okay, you need to
Mhm.
write the A1 text. Then sorry.
Mhm.
Okay. One. There is one write text. Then after that one read text will be there. One here read. This is one text. One here AHB write text. One here AHB read a text. One AHB write read a text. Okay. H H Now, what is a shell script you are asking? Correct. See, imagine these are these many command you need to run. Is it clear first what you
Mhm.
need to do? You need to run
Yes.
all the cases. Now, one is that he run this command. Okay, wait till this complete. Okay, once this complete, go and run this command. 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 You got it? Imagine like
Mm-hmm.
each and every test case for running 5 minutes are needed. Okay. Now, do you think in this case, okay, and tomorrow your deadline, and today you need to attend one marriage also. How will you do it? You are getting late for a marriage. Imagine. Okay, you need to go to some marriage or function. Okay, and tomorrow your deadline. How will you achieve? Nothing. Whatever you'll give one by one command, right? Okay, copy paste everything in one file. Copy paste everything in one file and call that file as example a.sh anything. Okay, like text.sh any name. This is a shell script. That's it. Whatever the
Okay.
command you are planning to run on a terminal. Okay, the same term accumulate all the command and put in one file, and that is what shell script. Is it clear?
No, so
That is
like
what.
in one of the interview which they had asked me is like if they want random generation of something for the file and they want to pass that file into the memory. For example, say the random addresses to the memory. Uh, that random address has to be generated by using the Python scripting, they told me.
Sure, that is
So
no, no. See, what you are asking is a Python. What I'm telling you, SH means which script I'm talking about? Shell script.
shell script.
For
Okay.
Python, so then there is a complete different language that is okay. Okay.
Okay.
There you need to
So
write a code.
are you covering that in any of the
Yeah,
class, sir?
yeah. We will be going almost like from here, almost like you can think of from 2 months. We'll be doing that.
Okay. Okay.
See, shell script means what? The shell script. See, you have so many commands to run on a Linux terminal. And example now every day, okay. Whenever I sleep, normally what happens? There are n number of test cases I need to run, okay, for a company. And do you think I'll wake up entire night and I'll do it? I'll put everything in one file. That is what we call it what make file. Make file or shell script you can call it. And automatically what happens? One by one command will be keep running. Is it clear? In run.do what you did? You had a four command. Do you remember? Vlog command, vsim command, add wave command, and run my all command. All these command you accumulated and put it in one file. And that file you are called like what? Do run.do. Do you remember? Run.do is for your Windows. The make file is for your Linux. Got it? Chale. Now these are the aliases you need to do. Okay, and MNT you know that key if you want to get into the Windows path, this is the place from the MNT you need to start. And they are the tools we all added. Okay, I'll give you all these tools. The copy paste you need to do it once you install all the tools. Okay, whatever the tools.exe file will be there, no, that path you need to copy here. That's it. Okay. Chal. Now we'll do one thing. We'll try to run this text in the Linux environment. See, first, once you add any tool, what you need to do? Okay. See, I'll copy paste all this one. See, once you copy here, or once you store into this file, gvim tools.ch something, what you need to do? Source. You done the source. Now you type any command, vsim or anything, everything will work now. Okay, now you need to create a shell script. Okay, for creating a shell script, first go into the folder where is your this is your code you have kept /mnt d drive, correct? D drive we are doing everything, and in the Verilog folder, correct? And in the Verilog folder, if you remember, data type is a folder which we are doing, correct? Do you remember? See here your run.do file is there. Can you see here? Okay,
Mhm.
you need to create one file called gv make.sh, one make file. Okay, now here you need to pass some command. Okay, what is the command you need to pass means question manual. Let me download the question manual. Hmm. See. Can you people see here? In a GUI mode, if you want to create a project, how will you do? File, new, create. Okay. Enter the library name, add the design files to a project. This is the way. Then you will do compile, or compile all. Correct. These are the buttons you can use, or simulate, start simulation you will do, or simulate, run. These are the way you will be doing. Okay. In a GUI method. Okay. Now, the same thing if you want to do from a command line, what is the option you need to give? VLib,
VLIP,
any
VMAP,
library name means any name that is example normally work will be the library name. We leave work. VMAP work work, correct, and vlog and file name you need to keep, and vsim that whatever the top name will be the module name that you need to keep it. Then run. They are the steps you need to keep. Who is telling in a question tool they have mentioned the steps. That is the steps I'll be writing here. The make file. Okay. See what is the first command? Vlib work.
work,
Vmap work
work,
work. Why work work? Library name what is that? Work. Then work and work. Vlog. Okay. Example. What is the file name I am using it? 1 minute. Let me check the file name. Here is my file name. Data type dot sv. Correct. Da white space. Data type dot sv. Correct. Next vlog and
VSIM,
next resume top. Resume top in the sense means what happened? You need to open this file. What is the module name you given now? What is the module name? Data types demo
Mhm.
that you are supposed to copy. Not here. And run. Next option I got run. That's it. I'll do one thing. This done here. Shell script. Now I'll close multi. Next make file I have created. What I need to do? Source. See, I think something I made a mistake here. Fail to create a directory to achieve work at work. Okay. Need to see there is a one error. It is not creating a direct work directory. Need to see why. See it from Linux. I'm running it. Can you see this? I'll just keep. I'll just keep. Wait, I'll just run my all test check. Okay, I think I need to recheck why it is not to run my call. Okay, just see here. Quick sim automatically open and all we are getting it. Correct. Only one option like run mining all it is not taking because there is one work is not able to create. Okay, that I'll check it. But you got it how to run it from a quick sim. Huh? You need to create what? Make file. Okay. Really work 1 minute. I'll recheck once again of the one step. Will work for this. Library already exists at a work. Okay, we map work. Okay, we have then vlog. It's properly working one by one command if I keep using data type. See the same command I'm putting one by one, correct? But it is working. I don't like why not took. Okay. Actually, I given two time reason, no? VLSI, data type. Done. Then run router, run my node. Sorry, node. So actually the problem was, see here, I don't know like why. VLib work, vmap work work, vlog. The same command I have typed here. VLib work, see already exists. Vmap work work, vlog data type dot hv. See zero error. But the same thing when we given in together, we got one error as one. See here, error is there. I don't know. I need to recheck. But this is working properly on VLib work, vmap work work, vlog data type dot hv. We see what are the module name will be there that and run. So it will work. So you can make a note of these commands here. These are the commands which we use it for make file creation. And this is the third way to run the code. Make a note then I always when you
Hello, sir.
go ahead.
Sir, the vlog data type.sv, that is header file, right? What all the TB we have included.
Vlog data type dot hv. That is a file name.
Huh, that is file name, sir. But in Questa, we are including all the TB files in top of SPH. So that file or individual
That
file
file,
we
that
are
file,
running?
that file, that file. Whatever the top file is there, that file, top dot hv.
Oh, okay.
Done. Okay. So quickly we'll revise all the things. Okay, and we'll move to the next topic. See, first of all, if you remember, we need to know what are the different types of companies we have for our simulations, and the basic knowledge you need to have which company name, which company have what tool name. Okay, where some people are not some major people I have seen in their resume they will write cadence. Okay, so don't write that company name. Company name is not a tool, right? It's a company name. Cadence and system if you write that will have a meaning. If you just write simply cadence means what? It's meaningless. So what are the tools you need to remember? Then if you remember, online and offline, we have two modes to run the our Verilog or system Verilog or UVM. Online means EDA playground where a login ID password you can take and you can run it. The second method will be by the offline. In the offline, you have how many ways? Three ways. Two for a Windows and one for Linux. What are the tools? One is a GUI method that is for Windows, and the one is run.do, and third is a makefile. Okay, and if you remember what if you want to do in a GUI method, open the quick session, jumpstart, create a project, give a project name, location, then add existing file, compilation you need to do, then simulation you need to do, add waves you need to do, and run the code. These are the some 6 steps are there. Okay, line by line, everything I have given again if you want to try. The second method is that whenever you run a book code, okay, it will generate some command. Okay, third, fourth, fifth step. What are the third, fourth, fifth step will be there? No, they will whenever you run, no, it will generate one command. That command you need to copy into what file? One file called run.do. If you copy all those commands in one file, and if you run, that is what we call like what run.do file. Okay. Next is a make file. Okay, make file. What happened? What is the command we need to give? We don't know. So I referred what to extract manual. Okay. So if you want, okay, you make a one note. Okay, this for a shell scripting commands you need to refer to extract manual page number 35. Because not now. Tomorrow you'll come and ask Nitya why you written vlib, vmap, vlog. Definitely you'll get this doubt. Okay, how you got this command vlib, vmap? Okay, just write in the side Questashim manual. Refer Questashim manual page number 35. Clear? From there, we got a command that for creating a project, I need to use what? vlib. Okay. Vmap, then I need to use. For compilation, I need to use what? Vlog. For simulator, I need to use what? Vship. Then what I need to do? Run. Okay, these are the steps. Are there? So those steps only I have written into one file. See, vlib work, vmap work, vlog data type .sv means file name, and what is the module name? Vsim module name, run mining all. That's it. So if you just give this command, what happens? It will run in a Linux platform. Clear? Any doubt? Okay, so these are the steps. Okay, so we learned that there are three ways to run the code, and these are the three ways. Now, can you see here what is the what you have given? vlib, vmap, vlog, vsim. You know why actually yesterday I have shown you alias, right? Okay, now I'll do one thing. I'll just copy this command also in our notes here. Then you need you can create some you'll get some idea. I'll copy here. Make a dot sh. See now what is this you are giving? vlib. When you give vlib, which tool will run in the backside? vlib means the moment when you call vlib, what will run? This will run. Next, what you are telling? Vmap. Once you tell vmap, it will go and run this command, the executable file. Clear? And once you tell vlog, it will run the executable file. Once you call vsim, it will run the executable file. Is it clear now? Why have we created aliases? Okay. Now suppose if you make here vlib1 by name, you have not written vlib1 you are writing. Then here in the command also you need to change it to what? Clear? So now the question comes, Nitai, what is vlib means? Vlib is a one alias we have done before. Correct? That alias, that exe file will run. The moment when you call vlib, what happens? It will internally will call what? that executable file, okay, and do the work. And again, vmap means what? It will create what? It will call that executable file. Okay, see here, what is the execute? It will call this one. Can you see here? Vlog, it will call the executable file. Vsim, it will call the clear. Any doubt? Clear? You got the linking properly? Huh? Okay.
Sir, but the tool inbuilt has all these aliases, right?
No. Tool don't have anything inbuilt alias. Within a tool. Okay, you are telling.
Within a
GUI.
tool, huh? Yes, GUI.
See that there what happened? They are internally they have the linking. Okay, so it will automatically will take care that one.
So when we want to create file, we need to create aliases in one separate file and then make file or run or do file and then run. Is it correct?
100%, 100%. Is it clear?
Sir, here, what is the work means, sir?
Work.
Will it work?
See, will work means what happened? I'll do one thing. I'll show you one thing. See, for that now you need to observe Windows how it will happen in a Windows. Okay. See, I'll show you one file. See, I'll create one folder. Okay, new fresh folder I'll create. You can give an observation now. Here. Okay. See, there is one ABC one folder, huh? And in that I am copying only one file. I'll copy. See here. Is it clear first? I'm copying only one file. What your work you need, right? I'll close your question. Clear? I'll open. See this folder you need to observe. How many files are there here? Only one file. See now
Yes.
I'll question. See once I create a project or your work folder will automatically will create. You can observe that. What I need to do? Jump start. See any folder created? No, right? Now you observe one by one. Create a project. Now you observe project name ABC. I'll take write it and I'll grow it to the folder, particular folder. And now see, I'll now just see here. Any folder is there now? Nothing is there.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
just press OK now. I'll press OK now, huh? And I'll press one more time. See, still not created anything. I'll see now. Got it? What do you mean by work? Even in Windows also the same thing is happening, right? It will create one folder. When you create a one project, right? It will create a one folder called I got work folder. Clear?
Okay,
Any
it
doubt?
is a default that will create while doing in the Quest Assam, sir.
Correct. 100% what you said. Correct. You have observed, right? So nothing was there. Created a work. Actually, what this work will be? See what happened. Now you are creating a project. Next time you will not create a project. Correct. What do you do? To open a project. Correct. When you open a project, that time it will select what file? MPF file. With that MPF, it will whatever if you have done any setting, it will refer this work a project file. Got it? What do you mean by
Yeah.
work? Okay. So we'll move on. So one last small topic I just need to discuss now before I start a very long day. See for the new beginners, right? Along with this question how to run, I need to guide you one small thing. Again, there is a one more thing called GVM is a one more GVM. How to run a GVM? How to write a code in a GVM? Okay, quickly I'll give you this also in detail. You can find a separate video also there. Okay, just now to start with Verilog. Okay, how to run a GVM? Nothing. Okay. GVM installation I already said, right? Installation, if anyone want to do, Google file hippo. Okay. Normal installation. Download. Normal installation. Nothing. You don't need any question. And okay. So once you install, okay, GVM is called a what? Editor. What do you need to tell? Editor. In this, you will be writing your code. Okay. See, some people have a doubt. Can it take example? Data type. Okay, let us call data type dot sv. It's already a file. Then why I need a GB? What is the relation between data type dot sv and GB? Okay, leave it. I'll tell you. There is something
It's an
like a
editor.
huh?
No, it's kind of a notepad, but you don't have a file extension for it.
Mm-hmm. No. Okay. Imagine like there is a one APB protocol dot PDF is there. If you want to open this file, what you will use? Okay. What is the relation between Adobe PDF Reader? Okay, or Firefox. What is this and what is this? Can you tell me? APB.pdf is what? File. And what is
File.
the
This
next?
is application.
Why you need
Application.
why you need that? To
To
open?
open the file.
Correct.
To
See,
open the
leave it.
file.
Correct. Imagine apb.doc. What is doc? Document.
Document.
Microsoft Word. What is Microsoft Word? Application.
Application.
Why? To open doc file. Correct. apb.xls file is there. What is the application you use?
Excel.
Correct. So data type dot sv you have it. What is the application you use? Got it? So this is an application on which you will do the read or write activity. Clear? The help of this. Not only this, 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, you can make a note. I need to connect a charger. Okay. See, not only GVim. Okay. See, can I tell this way? Okay. Can I summarize in this manner? Okay. Dot PDF charger. If you find any PDF, what is the applications you use? What is the application you use? Adobe. Correct. Adobe PDF Reader example. If it is a doc or doc X, have you seen there is sometime it will create a doc X also. Doc also is there, doc X also is there. What is the tool you use? Word. Dot XL is there, or dot XLS is there, or dot CSV is there. Okay. They're all Excel formats only. What do you use? Excel. Correct. Now dot V or dot SV or dot for SV Verilog dot Perl dot Python dot shell. Okay, dot C language. Okay, these are the things which you will be using. Correct. For all this, what you need to use? GV. You got what do you mean by this? GV? They are tools. Any kind of PDF format, you need a Adobe readers. Okay. Example uh, dot html. What is the tool you use? Any HTML file. What is the tool you? Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox. Correct. See this file. Okay. Windows is file. Now if it is a Linux, what do you do? Microsoft Word is a one file. Microsoft Word will work in Excel in a Linux. What do you do now? Tomorrow there is one document they will give in a company. Correct. In a company normally what happen? Linux is there. Libro. Correct. See Microsoft this one Libro, S Office, Libre. Okay. These are some tools you need to check in your system what support it will support. Okay. So example, let me just check whether S Office is there. S Office, Libre. See anyway, these are some tool you just check at your side. S Office. Any or for everything you need to give this one S Office. Normally S Office is a one for all this one. Here GVM will be there. Here for Internet Explorer we don't have much, but Chrome and Firefox will still work in Linux. Correct. Got it? Normally major everyone will use S Office only. Okay, I'll just give you example how to open. Okay, example S Office you need to type and example app.pdf will be there that you have to type it. Clear? Because they also again needed when you go to the company. Clear? Anyway, so our agenda was that not to learn S Office. Our agenda was GVM. What is GVM? Is it clear now? Why you need GVM? Why you need GVM now? To open read mode, write mode. Okay. For which file? SV file, PL file, PHP file, PY file, SH file, or TXT file. Okay. Any kind of this file. Okay. What we use? GVM. Clear? TXT means what? Text document. GVM will use. Okay. Only GVM you can use or any other software also you can use. They all the files. Only GVM you have or any other software also we have. Windows. Notepad,
Notepad.
Notepad plus plus, WordPad. But what is suggested? Why Notepad is not suggested? I have shown you, right? Notepad means what happened? You will not able to find where is the mistake you have done. Correct? This many tools are there, but only preferred is what? GVim. Okay, for a GVim, you put a circle and tell like why it is preferred. Why it is preferred? Why GVim only preferred out of your four tools? Like, it will auto by looking at way of coding, you can identify where is the error, correct? And it will be attractive, correct? And user friendly, correct? Any doubt? So is it clear? And here S Office is a one. which is normally used. Because they are all slowly, all you need to have a knowledge. So in the company you cannot go. Some example, some people are going with 3 year experience. Will you ask in the company, hey man, how to open a PDF? The small things you cannot ask in a company, right? You need to know Libre is a tool which we use it to open Libre or H Office normally. Chalo. Okay. Installation I have explained. Need of the GVM also clear. Why you need GVM? Okay. So what shall I write? Need of GVM. Why you need GVM? To open any .v .sv .pl .py .sh .c .txt. See, these are the languages you will be using. Okay, I don't want to write complete. What do you mean by PL? Which language? Perl. PY means Python. V means Verilog. Correct. You know, right? Remaining on. Okay. To open any file in read or write mode, we use the G. Correct. As it is a user friendly. Right? Is it a user friendly when compared to your notepad? What do you mean by user friendly? Easy to understand the way of coding. If you make any mistake, everything you can easily can understand. Right? Huh? Any doubt? Okay. So now GVM. Okay. GVM. Three things I need to explain you. Okay. Then immediately we'll jump to the Verilog. There is a insert mode. There is a escape mode. There is a visual mode. Three types of mode you have it. Insert mode. I escape followed by escape first, then control plus Q. See, I'll explain you one by one. If you want to write into the pipe, escape. If you want to do on the file, if you want to do any bulk changes, make a note. I'll explain one by one. Done. Make a note. Done. We can go. Right. See, insert mode. What is an insert mode? See here, escape. See first, offline people can appear. Okay. I'll type a RAMA. I'm typing on a keyboard. RAMA. Okay, Rama or Rama. Rama. But are you seeing on a screen whatever I have? Why it is not coming? Question is escape mode. See, first, if you want to type anything on a screen, if you want to write into the file, what you need to press first? I. I need to press and then if you write, it will work. Okay. See, first I'll take write RAM. Can you see on the screen now? No, you cannot see on the screen. Why? You are in this mode now. But if you want to write into the file, what mode you need to go? Insert mode. If you want to write into the file, which mode you need to go? Insert mode. If for going into the insert mode, what is the letter you need to type? I'll do one thing. I'll press first I. Now I'll type RAM. Can you feel that? If you want to write anything into the file, what if you want to type? First, what you need to press? I. If you press I, then only it will come. This appear this curve. You appear the curve. And in the bottom, what is the bottom? What is written? So you are in which mode now? Insert mode. Now observe the curve. You are in which mode now? How you got to know? It's not written, right? It is not written, but how you got to know that it is in escape mode? Cursor you observe. Cursor if you observe, you will get to know. Okay. Now you are in which mode? Now in which mode? Now? Can you feel the difference? See, I'll come here. Can you see the difference? This, this is in which mode? Insert mode. So if you want to write anything into the GVM, what is the mode you need to go? Insert mode. See, you have written something like Rama, right? Now your job is to save the file. How will you save the file? Is it writing into the file or operation on a file? Save the file. Save the file in what? It's your operation or you are writing into the file? Operation on the file, correct. If you want to do operation on the file, what is an operation example? Save. You want to save the file. So how will you do it? Example, save the file. People will not understand. What do you mean by operation? Example one I am telling. Save the file. How will you save the file? Escape :W. So this is the you need to type here. First you need to press escape, then :W. Save the file. Is it clear? :WQ. Save and exit the file. SP and file name. Split the file in horizontal mode. Sorry, not dot, it's a colon, sorry. VSP split the file in vertical mode. Tab name. Split the file in new tab. So just few commands I'll explain, okay, which are basically needed. That's it, and we'll move to the Verilog. See, now these are the operation on the file. What are the operation? Example, escape. Escape, and you need to press escape because if you want to do the operation on a file, what is the first key you need to press? Escape. :W. If you do, what happens? Can you see here? What is the here? Written. Written means what? Saved. Clear? Here in the bottom you can see that written has come. See :W. What happened? Written is come. It means the file has been saved now. Now I want to close this file. What I need to press? Escape colon W. And now you press this. What happened? Gone. The file closed. Is it clear? Save and quit. Now imagine that one more file here in this folder. If you see, there is one file is there. What is that file? V. I want this file also to open. Escape SP and tab you press. Don't write all the things. Just press a tab. You'll get a file name. Okay. Enter. What happened now? Files are opened in which mode? There is a one file here. There is a one file here. What do you call this? Horizontal mode. Correct. See, imagine like. Okay. See. Yeah, just draw one small diagram. Here, when I given a VS, the files are opened in this manner. Which diagram that corresponds? See, one file is here. The second file is this. Which is the diagram is corresponding to first diagram. So the VSP if you give, it open in this manner. F file name is you, it will open in this manner. What do you call vertical? Vertical or horizontal? Horizontal. Okay. I'll close this. Sorry, the ASP. The ASP. Okay. Oh, sorry, I have your. I have. Yes. No, no. Hold it. Yes. Now, see here, the file is there like this. Okay, I'll put here bottom. You need to observe escape VSP. You can see here. Huh? Now files are opened in which manner? First or second? Second. What do you call this? Vertical. Then file will open in this. Colon tab new. Now files are opened in how the files are opened? Is here one file. Here you have another file. Can you see here? Here in the third format. So this is what we call a tab view. Tab view. Clear? So this is see when they say why you are opening file 3, file 8 config or no. Whether you get configured or not, you need to get used to this way only. Okay. Even if you cry also, this is the way you need to use it. Because in a company, multiple files you need to open together in one screen. How do you do that? There is a way. See, you need to see what you have written in this file. What is the code you have written? What is the code you have written? Because all the files are interlinked. Then what happens? You need to see half code here, half code here. How will it? In your one single eye view, you need to have it. So if you want, here is the way. So I know that when you bring multiple files, it will take a little bit for you. You don't have an option. Keep in mind, you don't have an option. You need to get used. Okay. So the basic command, if you know, that is more than enough. Okay. Now, one last command was now visual mode. Escape mode is you got it right. To do any operation, we need escape mode. Now one last here visual mode. Visual mode means imagine like this entire code I want to comment. See example the here comment is been there correct. I want to remove this comment. How will you remove? Student will tell like this. They will do like this correct. You will do like this only correct. You will delete one by one. So in one go, how will you do it? In one go, you need to do the change. Or imagine like entire the line I need to comment in one go. Escape, Control Q, down what is that? Visual block you need to go, select whatever the range you want and type. In one go, entire line got commented out. No, Nidhi, I want to remove all the comments. Okay, no problem. See, did I remove one by one or in one go I have removed? One go. So now let me tell you the command I have used it. So last visual mode, step one, escape. Second, you need to do control plus Q. Third, you need to do with arrow, select the lines, arrow key. Shift like I. First one, write what you want. Not right. Add what you want or then press escape. These are the steps. If you do, then only it will work. Press escape, control plus Q, with arrow key select the lines, with shift apply I, you insert whatever you want, then add whatever the things you wanted to add, then escape. Just make a note of this, then it will go very long. Then, okay, see, I'll quickly go with whatever I have done in giving that commitment. Actually, we have more, but as of now, start with your Verilog, begin. Now, let's give him how many modes have. What are the three modes? Set mode and begin mode. Why you need insert mode? If you want to write any code, what you need to press first? I. If you do press I, then only you can able to write it. Then we go to the next mode. If you want to go to the escape mode, how will you get to how will you go? Escape. If you press escape, then only you can go to the escape mode. Why you need escape mode? Example, save the file. Next, see, save the file, you one operating. Save and quit the file, another operating. You want to open the file, it splits. That is also file operation. Correct. Horizontal split, vertical split, or tab new, any manner. What is that? It's a kind of one operation on the file or code writing. Operation. If it is operation, what you need to go? Escape. They say, what are the operations? Saving of the file is one operation. Vertical splitting another operation. Horizontal splitting another. Tab using another operation. Correct. Chal. Next, go to the what is the third one? Why you need region block? Bulk changes. What do you mean by bulk changes? Can you give me one example? Comment. You need to comment entirely. Just comment. Why the region one? Okay. So for that, steps are equal. If the steps is equal, then only it will work. Escape. Control plus Q. With arrow key, select the line. Shift slash I. Add what you want. Escape. See, add the total six step. If it's six step, then only it will work. See, I'll give you one by one. You can make a difference. See, now career, can you see that? First step, escape. See, I'll go here. If I press escape, cursor will change. Correct? Now control plus Q. See, control plus Q means what happened? Bottom visual block enabled. What happened? Enabled. Then what I said? Arrow key. See, I'm pressing the arrow key. Can you see the difference? What happening? Select with arrow key. Select the lens. Can you feel it? Okay. Next, what I need to do? Shift play I. Then again cursor change it to insert mode kind of a cursor because you want to write, right? If you want to write, the cursor need to be in which mode? Insert mode. So again you change it from escape to what mode? Now I want this hash symbol. Okay, shift play I have to add what you want. I added hash. Now what you need to press? That's it. You will apply for all the way. Here. Can we do it once again? See, now you need to understand one by one. Why you need to go escape mode? Because it's a one kind of an operation. Bulk changing is a kind of an operation. Escape. Control plus Q. Why you need control plus Q? Visual block enable you need to do it. Control plus Q. Why you need to select the arrow? Man, without selecting, how will I get to know that how many lanes you want to change? Correct. Huh? Do I need to select the arrow? Yes. So you have selected the arrow. And now your job is to write. If you want to write, you are in which mode now? No, now you are in which mode? Now you are in escape kind of a mode. Okay, now you need to go to what mode? If you want to write, you need to go to insert mode. So shift plus I. Okay. Now you are in which mode? Insert mode. Now you can you type? Yes. Type what you want. Next one, press escape. Is it clear? I have a doubt. I want to write in hill of this. They want to add some. See, his concern was he wanted dot here, or his concern is that he wants some decoration. Good. So this is a bulk change. No, he want to delete. Escape. Control plus Q. Select what you want. Then delete. That's it. You don't want to write. You want to delete. After this third step, what you need to press? Delete button. That's it. So control plus I. No. Delete button. So this is to add. Okay, I'll just write to add the changes. One more either to remove the changes. You want to delete something. You don't want that bulk hash. You want to remove that one. So to add, if you to delete the changes. Got it? See example here I'll add it. See this is the I have added, but now you don't want. What you'll do? Escape, Control plus Q, select what you want, press delete. That's it. Clear? Any doubt? No doubt. So anyway, I think I have given all the surrounding whatever you need before I start a Verilog. Everything I have covered. Okay. See today Jay, I'll execute one small code in Verilog, and any explanation is there. We'll continue from next class onwards. Okay. See again I'll repeat this one. Okay. Don't in a one. So as you know that in any language, what is the first thing you need to learn? Data type. Correct. Now, the data type only, I'm damn sure most of the people don't know how to see the data type only. Okay, see, I'll just ask you one simple question to you. Okay, leave it here. Imagine this many data types, we have it, correct? Net type, wire type, try type, WAN type, W and wire and wire or register types here. Okay, see here. 1 minute. I'll put one. See here. Just give me 1 minute. Wait. See red color, can you see here? Red color, I have marked it. These are the different types of data types. Okay, one category is net type data type category is there one. One is a register type category. One is a vector type category. One is a parameter type category. One is a string type category. Okay. See, right now I'll not go more into this. I'll just one execute and I'll just show you. Okay. See how I written code and all. We'll see in the next class. Okay. First, vector string. Okay. Project. Jump start. Create a project. Okay. I'll go to the folder where I have the data type code. Yeah, I already pre-written Verilog, and there is one folder already I made it. Okay, and I'll tell okay, and I'll tell data type. See, I'll first run this code. Then meanwhile, I'll bring the data type code also. How what is been written or how it is written. See, I'll open this file. See, Again, I'll explain this tomorrow. Okay, just 5 minutes I have. So I just want to see. Can you see a net type, register type, vector type, array type, parameter type, string type? All the different types I have shown here. Okay, I have written. So for every type I have assigned one value. Correct. Register types also I have assigned a value. Okay. For array type also I have assigned a value. Let us see what is the difference or how they will look like. Now, first thing. Now, here, net type, bidirectional type, wire and wire all. Is it there in the waveform here? Huh? There? Okay. Chalo. How they look like? Here, any plus mark is there here? Not there. Okay. Chalo. No plus mark, right? Here you can see a plus mark. Correct? Now, register type, multi-bit array. See, register type. Here, single bit. What is the name we have given? Single bit reg. What is the way I have given? Multi-bit reg. Signed integers. See. Next, what is the name? Real time time value, single bit logic. Correct. So these are the things. Okay. So I'll just check. Now here in this data type, can you find any changes in between the different people? One have a plus symbol, one do not have a plus symbol. Why some people have a plus symbol? Huh? Correct. If it is a single bit, you will not find that. If it is a multi-bit, obviously you will find it. So you go and press serial bit, first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit. Is it here? Is it a multi-bit? What about the integer? Integer is how many bits? 32 bits. Okay. They are all like our multi-bits. Now, 1 minute. Vector logic and vector reg. I have something name. Okay. Can you see here vector logic and vector reg? Okay. They both have place. What do you mean by this? They both are multi-bits. Correct. Multi-bits means it will be this. Okay. Chalo. Next question. What about the array? Array single dim array. Where is that? How will you see the array now? Huh? Huh? Terminal. I don't want to see in the terminal. I want to see something visually. Okay. Not in the text format. Online people. Maybe in the not in the addition, but at least some visual formats I need. One whatever is set is correct. Go for the transcript window, you will find it. I don't want transcript window. See, imagine like, why I don't want. I'll tell you the reason. You have one array, big array, which is 100 by 100. Transcript is correct. Will that be correct way to read? See, I'll give you why I'm not. See why I'm denying word. I'll tell you. See, in transcript one will look like this one. A of 0, example 10. A of 1, 20. A of 2, 30. Then example. This you will like. This you like. Or this one. The second one. Do you like first or second? Second. Imagine like one more, I'll give you one example. 0, comma 0. Then A of 0, comma 1. 30. 0, comma 30. Then A of 1, comma 0. A of 1, comma 1. A of 1, comma 2. Number 10, 10, 10. A of 2, comma 0. A of 2, comma 1. A of 2, comma 2. See, if you want in a transcript window, this is how you get it. Correct? I don't know. 100 by 100 matrix. What is the matrix one? See what by what matrix? Huh? This one. This one. Whatever I have written. What is this matrix? 3 by 3. Correct? How 3 by 3? 3 column, 3 rows will come. Correct? Do you agree? Okay, 3 by 3. And 3 by 3, how many? Total 9 lines. 100 by 100? 10 okay. That is correct way for you? Or the correct? Got it? Why I did it? Okay. Correct. If you print that, if you use that is what I said. Transcript window. To the display, one by one you need to select. It will come in this manner. To view your display, okay, it will come in this. Okay, 100% I cannot verify. So, do you think in company will have small matrix here? Huh? Large matrix. Then any online people? Okay, so we cannot see here. Okay, keep in mind. And in the waveform, how you can see? Waveform, can you draw? 3 by 3 waveform, how it looks like? I cannot draw. Anyone? So we cannot draw a waveform. So waveforms you cannot see at all. So for that memorizer you need to go. Okay, see, I'll show you. Here one. Yes. I'm sorry. Here not here. Go to this your normal window. Here you check. View memory somewhere else. Is it? Memory. Memory list. See. See here. Can you see this? What are the what? How you are? What are the value you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the value you have? See, 1 minute. We'll go to this one and I'll show you. Can I rub this? Okay. See, you have one multi-dim array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you tell me how they will store? How many rows? How many columns? 2 rows. 2 rows, 4 columns. Correct? Correct. See, that is how it looks like. Zeroth row. What is the value? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the value? This is memory. This is how you can see it. Got it? Okay. We expand down to dimension memory slices. So whichever you want, you need to go for this. First row or second row. How? Here. Can you see this in waveform? No. This is this looks good for you or 1 minute. This looks good for you. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you see here? Which one looks better? First one, whatever message we memory we got. matrix form. Got it? So this is how you can check if you have any memory. So for memory, you need to go for a memory list. Okay. See, I'm damn sure like most of the people don't know how to see the dimension array. Correct. Now you got to know. Okay. Will you get in a waveform? Why? You only tell me how will you get in waveform? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write in waveform. One dimension we can write it. But if it get two dimensions, can we write in waveform? No, it's not possible. Okay. If that is not possible in waveform, then option A is left out is what? One more memory zero. But transcript. And transcript also why you not good? And not that feasible. I'm not that good. But yeah. So we got to know that key from now onwards in waveform everything will get it. But what you will not get? Arrays. Arrays will never get it. One thing. Okay. For array, where you need to go? Memory viewer. Okay. Let us do one thing. I'll just walk through the code. Parameter. What is this parameter? Const I have written. Will I get in waveform? Then so parameters are one which will not visible in your waveforms. Keep in mind. Memory also not visible. Parameters are also not visible in your memory. Okay. And one more thing is what? Verilog. Anywhere are you seeing Verilog? That is also not visible. Okay. So you can make a note that see ultimate what your today's agenda was net type, register type, vector type. You can see on where waveform and transcript window. Waveform and transcript window. This one also where this also where waveform and transcript window. Array where you can waveform can you see? Then memory viewer and transcript parameter transcript string here. Is it clear to everyone? Anyway, so we'll stop it for the day. We will continue in the next time. Okay. So we got to know that we have different types of data types and their behaviors also from what we got. What are there remaining will continue. Okay, bye.